Well, hello, fourth grade friends. It's your favorite donkey here. And today, this donkey is working on his high kicks. This side and this side. If you don't know, donkeys love kicking, especially high kicks. So don't ever stand behind me because I might kick you from behind, right? All right, today you're going to use your math to help me answer some questions about my high kick. So let's begin. We are on 11.4 today. And today we're going to join and separate angles. So our I can determine the measurement of an angle. All right, let's do it, okay? Donkey is working hard on his high kicks. Yeah, I am. He wants to get to 180 degrees. He first got it to 83 degrees and then kept going another 97 degrees. Did he make his goal of 180 degrees? So at first when I kicked, I got to 83 degrees and then I kept going another 97 degrees. So at first I got 87 degrees and then I kept going another 97 degrees. Okay, this isn't going well, but I'll go back to my donkey in a second. Did I make it 180 degrees? So let's find out. So if our cute donkey first kicked 83 degrees and then kicked another 97 degrees, altogether, did he kick his goal of 180 degrees? That's what we want to know. It's a yes or no question. So let's do it. So if he first did 83 and then another 97, we are adding or subtracting. If you went from here and then all the way further, you are adding, okay? So let's take our 83 on our first kick, plus our 97 that we added to it. See what we get. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1 would be 18. Oh my gosh! Doggy perfectly got 180 degrees, just like he wanted to. Awesome! So today we're going to talk about joining angles like we did here and separating them. All right, say goodbye to donkey. All right, let's try another problem, okay? So pretty much today you're just adding angles to see how much degrees they equal total. So it's actually pretty simple if you understand most of it. So sometimes it's 2 angles, sometimes it's 3. Let's do our first example. Example number 1. We have this angle. So we know this angle is 37 degrees. And we know that this angle is 43 degrees. We want to know how big is the total angle, okay? So if this is angle A, B, C, we would want to know angle A, B, C. That's how we write angle ABC equals how many degrees, okay? So you have to take these two and add them up to see the total degrees, okay? So we do 43 plus 37. 7 plus 3 is 10, carry the 1. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So in total, angle ABC is equal to 80 degrees. Awesome, right? So far we're just adding. Sometimes it's more than 2 angles. Let's look at one that's 3 angles. All right, example 2. We have, let's do this one. Okay, if this angle is, let's call this A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we want to know, so angle ABC is 26 degrees. Angle CBD is 30 degrees. And angle DBE is, let's say, 16 degrees. we want to know how many degrees is the angle ABE. So angle ABE equals blank degrees. So in order to figure out the total angle, we just need to add up all the angles in between. So we need to do 26 plus 30 plus 16. All right, let's add them. What's 6 plus 6? 12. What's 1 plus 3? 4 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. So in total, all of these are 72 degrees. Awesome. Hope you can read that. I hope it's not too small. Okay, so sometimes we're just adding angles, but sometimes they're not going to tell you an angle and you have to figure out what it is. So let's look at something like that. Let's look at example number 3. Okay, so I have a complete circle and it's broken up into 3 equal pieces, like a peace sign, okay? And we want to know what each of these is. How would we figure out which each angle is? We're going to figure out how many degrees. Remember, the whole circle, when we do a complete spin, is 360 degrees. So it's broken up into 3 parts. So if we take 360 and we divide it by 1, 2, 3, we'll know how much each part is worth, right? We're doing the opposite. So 3 goes into 3 once. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the 6. 3 goes into 6 how many times? 3, 6, 9. Oh, too many. Go back twice. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring down the last number. 3 goes into 0, 0 times. So 120. So this is 120, this is 120, and this is 120. Sometimes we have to find the missing degrees. All right, let's do an adding 1. This is your pause problem number 1. All right, pause problem numero uno. Okay, if I have, well, that looks like a right angle. Let's make it easy. If this angle, we'll call this A, B, C, D. Okay? So ABC is, we'll say 47 degrees, and CBD is 54 degrees. How big is ABD? Angle ABD equals how many degrees? Okay, I want you to pause it and try it. So we have 47 degrees and 54, and we want to know how big the whole angle is. Pause and try it, but I'm going to keep going. So all we do here is add up our 2 angles. We have 47 plus our 54. 7 plus 4 is 11, carry the 1. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So if you got 101 degrees, you were correct. Hopefully you did. Okay, I'm going to throw a harder one your way. See if you can do it. All right, cost problem number 2. Okay, I want you to show me 2 ways that you could get 2 angles to equal 90 degrees. What 2 angles could you have that total equal 90 degrees? Total equal 90 degrees. I need to know 2 smaller angles that add up to equal 90 degrees. Okay? Try it. See how you do. Pause it. I'm going to keep going though. So I have to think, what 2 numbers could equal 90 degrees? You could do so many different things. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple. I'm going to do 50. Say this one's 50 degrees. So 50 plus what gives me 90? 40. So 50 plus 40 equals 90. So my missing ones could be 40 and 50. Or over here, let's do another. I could do another simple one. I could keep it in the tens. I could say this one is 30 degrees. So 30 plus what would give me 90? So 3 plus what gives me 9? 60. So I could do 30 degrees plus 60 degrees equals 90 degrees. And I would write this 50 degrees plus 40 degrees equals 90 degrees. Okay? All right, hopefully that didn't trip you up too bad. I hope this makes sense. Pretty much we're just doing a lot of adding. So have a fabulous day.